Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you the great website name is NeuronWriter. If you want to boost SEO with NLP driven editor, then this video is best for you. So if you are a content editor or content creator, then just see my video and follow my video. If you want to make your content SEO optimization automatically, then this video is best for you. So let's get started. We can show you the software name is as a NeuronWriter boost SEO with NLP driven editor. So let me clear you about this software. It will offer errors in 5 days. Within 5 days you will get $59. Okay, so $59 is a lifetime deal. Just from today you can earn money. Or you can make your content very SEO optimization. If you have Google AdSense approval, then you can earn money from your AdSense. Okay, so you will get automatically SEO from your content writing if you buy this software. So go to my description link. Here you'll get your link. Just buy from today this software, only $59 lifetime deal. So a lot of scope or a lot of advantages from this software you'll get only buying one times. Begin with quick recharge. Just see here how to use NeuronWriter to rank #1 in Google. Your website will get #1 in Google ranking, so you don't have to bother anything. Only costing is $59 and you'll get $1,000 benefit from this software. Because if you got ranked in software, so there is nothing else, and your business, your content will be the live more, or will be the seeing more, or will be the enjoyable more on the customer, and you'll get sales, everything. If you establish one website, I think you don't have to see the backside. Okay, so what you will get from the NeuronWriter? Begin with quick recharge, build semantic document structure, start paragraphs with the help of GPT-3, write semantically rich SEO optimized content, share with your colleagues, export, publish, and enjoy the results. Analyze your competitors' best content and suggest that I discover what Google is just looking for. Advanced alternative in SEO editing, market boost, clear scope, surfer SEO and phrase. So it's best for the others, bloggers, entrepreneur, marketers, and social media manager. So go to the description box. Here you will get your link to buy from today. I think your website automatically get a rank in SEO in #1 in Google, so you don't have to bother. So if you are the SEO expert, and I think you need this all time. If you have any network like SEO or agency or anything, I think you need this software more. Okay, so go to my description link. Here you will get your link to buy, and you also get 60-day money back guarantee. So it's very easily for you. 60-day money back guarantee means it's a huge benefit for you. Okay, you don't have to bother your money. Okay, NeuronWriter content SEO optimization AI writer. What you will get from this software: 15,000 manual credits, draft generator, AI templates, tagging info, 50 content editor, schema data explorer, 75 content editor queries only, GS integration, content sharing, unlimited team members, content management, so everything. So just from today buy from today and make your SEO greatly worldwide, or make your website rank as Google within 2 or 3 days. So share my video everyone, so that they will get a lot of advantages from my video, and share my video in your wallet or the Facebook or in any social media. So thank you very much for watching my video.